If there is corrosion in the calipers, wheel cylinders, master cylinder, and ABS components, your brake fluid is contaminated. Hi. I am Jesse, your facts and tips person with Automotix. So today's question is, when should I replace my car's brake fluid? Brake fluid is hygroscopic, which means that it attracts moisture. The moisture can get in from the hoses, seals, and cap. The system can absorb 2% of its volume in as little as 12 months in a humid area. Moisture contamination will cause corrosion in the calipers, wheel cylinders, master cylinder, and ABS components. With the price of replacing these components, having a brake flush is a great way to insure against these expensive repairs. We recommend flushing the fluid when it reaches 3% of moisture contamination. Remember, brake fluid is one of the most important fluids in your car. Do not neglect it. Till then, keep watching FAQ videos at Automotix.
Automotix.FAQs. Get answers to your queries by posting it on our G+ page.